Stop everything you are doing. If you were planning on buying a new smartwatch this week, or if you've been eyeing the current Ultra 3, I'm here to tell you that you are about to make a very expensive mistake. Behind the closed doors of Cupertino, something is happening. We are witnessing the birth of a device that doesn't just iterate, it obliterates. This is the Apple Watch Ultra 4. And for the first time since the original Ultra dropped in 2022, Apple is changing the game so fundamentally that the current models are going to look like digital relics overnight. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. I've been tracking the supply chain leaks, the patent filings, and the secret whispers from the N240 project. That's the internal code name for this beast. What I've uncovered isn't just a spec bump. We are talking about a total design overhaul, a screen technology that has been impossible to manufacture until now, and health sensors that literally sound like science fiction. In this video, we are going deep. No fluff, no filler. We're talking about why the Ultra 4 is the most important piece of technology Apple will release in 2026, and why it is officially the Garmin killer we've been waiting for. If you care about your health, your performance, or just having the absolute pinnacle of engineering on your wrist, you cannot turn this off. Let's start with the headline that is currently sending shockwaves through the tech industry. The micro-LED revolution. For years, we've heard the rumors. Micro-LED is coming. Micro-LED is coming. And every year, Apple hit a wall. The yields were too low, the costs were too high. But for the Ultra 4, the wall has been smashed. We are looking at a 2.12-inch micro-LED display that is 10% larger than the current screen without increasing the actual footprint of the watch. But it's not just about size. Micro-LED is the holy grail of display tech. It is thinner, it is significantly more power efficient, and the brightness? We're talking about potentially hitting 4,000 nits. That means in the direct blinding glare of a desert sun, this screen will look like it's glowing from within. It's not just an upgrade, it's a total replacement of how we view data on our wrists. But here is the part that is going to make you want to upgrade immediately. The design. For 3 generations, the Ultra has been a tank, chunky, rugged, and unapologetically bold. But the Ultra 4 is going through a refinement stage. Leaks suggest a 15% reduction in thickness. Now, don't worry, it's still going to be the toughest watch on the planet. But by moving to a 3D printed aerospace-grade titanium process, Apple has found a way to make it sleeker and more comfortable without sacrificing a single ounce of durability. It's a more wearable monster. They are also rumored to be introducing a dark nebula titanium finish, a deep, matte black that is chemically bonded to the metal so it won't scratch or chip. It looks mean, it looks professional, and it makes the current titanium look dated. Now, let's talk about the brain of this machine, the S11 SIP, based on the T8320 architecture. This isn't just about opening apps faster. We are entering the era of on-wrist AI. The Ultra 4 is being built to handle Apple Intelligence locally. Imagine a Siri that doesn't need the cloud to understand complex health queries. A Siri that can analyze your workout data in real time and give you verbal coaching based on your actual physiological load, not just pre-programmed tracks. This chip is designed to manage a staggering 8 sensors on the